Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. I hope you all are looking forward to the weekend. I know I am. This weekend, probably right now as you're watching this, I am with 3 of my girlfriends from college and I really needed this weekend after, just the past couple weeks. So once again, boring video. I apologize. Still trying to get in the swing of things, still trying to get ideas of what I want to do. But I figured if I have some cool stuff to unbox, I might as well film it. So today I am unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus August 2019. So I used to be a normal Glam Bag subscriber and then I upgraded to the Plus, which is supposed to give you 5 full-size products. So let's see what is in store. Alright, the first thing is a semi-crushed box. It is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Cover Moisturizer with SPF 50. Clinically tested hydrating and anti-aging with 3D Skin Flex. Very cool. And this is in the shade F.A.R.A.H, which should be my shade. Yeah, that's me. I wish that the Glam Bag Plus came with a little informational card like the BoxyCharm does. It tells me, how much each of these items are, but I guess this box doesn't have that. Okay, so next, I'm probably going to pronounce this wrong. It is by Ahava. It is a hydration cream mask. This says it infuses and nourishes thirsty skin with this active hydrating mask. Apply once or twice a week, rinse after 3 to 5 minutes, or leave on all night. Approved for sensitive skin. Love it. If you know me, I have super dry skin, so I'm excited to try this. And then from Sundays, we have, let's see. Oh, it is a nail polish. And this is in the shade number 44. It's kind of like a light lime green. Super cute. And then from F.A.R.A.H, there's the Be Beautiful You brush set. Comes with 5 brushes. I'm really digging the handle on these. Super pretty. So this is the mini tapered. And then we have the angled brow. Ooh, I like this one. The pencil, the mini shading, and a concealer brush. Really nice. I really like these brushes. And then from the Balm Cosmetics, we have the In the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Hits Volume 2. So this looks like it has blush, powder blush, highlighter, and eyeshadow. Ooh, this is really pretty. So this is good when you're just trying to be all neutral. And I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but these blushes, especially these ones down here, are much darker, which I like because then everybody could use this palette, but I like that there's a nice light one for the pasty people like me. This is super cute. All right, not mad at this. I will have to try this out. All right, so that is it. The box is empty. So the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus usually goes for about $27 if you round it up with tax and all that. So do I think this month was worth it? I think just based on the It Cosmetics, I'm sure this is pretty pricey. Absolutely. Good brushes. I've used these brushes before. They are really good. So yeah, I definitely think this month is worth it. I'm thinking about canceling my Play by Sephora box. I can't really make up my mind. I'm gonna see what this month has in store and then make up my mind because I just have a lot of subscription boxes. All right, hopefully the next video will be something more exciting and something you would rather see than this boring unboxing. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.